Alright, I'll be showing you guys how to view a private TikTok account. So before I proceed to do that, the question is it really possible to view a private TikTok account? Is it really possible? The truth of the matter is you cannot view a private TikTok account. So stop wasting your time searching for ways you can view a private TikTok account. Even those sites that they give you, those sites that other YouTubers show you that can help you view it, it is not possible. Like it's all fake. Do you understand? Some will say you should report a problem. Click on report a problem, screenshot the person's account, submit it to where we have report a problem. That once you do that, then TikTok will allow you to view that private account. Trust me, none of those things work. So the only solution is for you to proceed and follow that person. Go ahead and follow the person, and once they accept your follow request, then you get to see that private TikTok account. That is the only way to go about it. Do you understand? So I believe you understand how you go about it. If you are not a hacker, you have no reason looking for ways you can see a private TikTok account. If you are not a hacker. So, but if you're a hacker, you know how to maneuver your way around it and see that account. But for you that you are not a hacker, go ahead and follow that private account you want to see. Then once they accept your request, then you'll be able to see that private TikTok account. And that is basically how you go about seeing a private TikTok account. So let me follow this and see if they will accept my request so I can see what they have on their page. So I believe you got value. If you appreciate my honesty, ensure you like this video, drop a comment and also subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.